Can ResMed DC converter damage my CPAP? Have you ever wondered if using a ResMed DC converter could harm your CPAP machine? It's a great question, especially for those who are relying on their devices during travel or power outages. Let's break down the facts to help you understand how to use this equipment safely. First off, the ResMed DC converter is specifically designed to power certain ResMed continuous positive airway pressure machines. This means it can draw power from sources like vehicle batteries, boats, or external batteries. When used correctly, it should not damage your CPAP machine. Compatibility is key here. Each model of ResMed DC converter works with specific CPAP series. For example, the 90-watt DC converter is compatible with the ResMed AirSense 10, AirStart 10, and AirCurve 10 machines. If you try to use this converter with older models like the S9 series, you could end up damaging either the converter or the CPAP machine. Similarly, the AirSense 11 series requires a dedicated Air 11 DC converter. Always check that you have the right model for your CPAP device. Next, let's talk about voltage and power ratings. The converters provide a stable 24-volt output from 12 or 24-volt DC sources and are rated around 90 watts. This ensures that your CPAP machine receives the correct power without any fluctuations that could potentially harm its internal components. Using genuine or approved accessories is also very important. Sticking to official ResMed DC converters helps maintain the safety of your device and keeps your warranty intact. If you use third-party or incompatible converters, they might not regulate power correctly, which increases the risk of damage. Another point to consider is how you connect the converter. It usually comes with alligator clips and adapters for safe connections to batteries or vehicle power sockets. If you connect it improperly or use it with unsuitable power sources, you could cause electrical faults that might damage your equipment. Finally, newer models like the AirSense 11 are designed to maintain therapy features while using the DC converter. This means it can power both the CPAP machine and the humidifier without disabling humidification, ensuring your therapy comfort is not compromised. In summary, a ResMed DC converter will not damage your CPAP machine if you use the correct model for your specific device, connect it properly to an appropriate power source, and avoid mixing incompatible devices. Always verify compatibility before use and follow manufacturer guidelines to ensure safe and effective CPAP therapy during travel or power outages.